Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders. Boy, did I miss you guys. I know I've been out for 10 days. I buried my dear friend, my confidant, my mentor, Mike King. Rest in peace, buddy. That just happened on Monday. I needed a few more days to take care of some extracurricular activity, and here we are. Back in the markets. I sat at my desk the entire day today, and we are ready to take advantage of these markets tonight, which is Wednesday night for trading on Thursday, January 20th, 2022. Remember the risk involved in these markets? Boy, oh boy, can it get risky. Volatility has expanded. Make sure you put your stops in. Never trade without them. Put those stops in first, okay? Couple of things. Right off the bat, these markets are cracking, and I am telling you now, there is no better place to be than with the Omni when the markets crack. Ask thousands of traders around the world. When these markets break, Omni is right there. It will protect you. It will help you make money on the way down, and our stops are in just in case we get that wrong. The last video I left you with before I had my little tragedy was Hi Yo Silver! Have you seen the silver chart? I mean, come on, people! Was that not ass kicking? And then what else did I do? One night before this crack started, this crash that we're seeing in the S&P NASDAQ Russell, I stood in front of you and explained exactly what should happen. The market should have a knee-jerk reaction. The rates are going up. I showed you all the reasons, and that is exactly what is going on. And we will continue to work that same mentality and viewpoint. The bonds are taking this market up. Well, I shouldn't say that. The bonds took this market up since 2009. The bonds are no longer being purchased. And guess what's happening now? So, how does that work? Well, let's go over a few things on the board and then I'll explain. Omni remains a seller of rallies for E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russell for trading on Thursday. If it rallies big enough, we get in. When it drops, we take our profits. That's the plan, with the stop in first. Bonds are the reason for the price adjustment. Now, let me just explain it in layman's terms. Take a little baby. I got a baby, right? All right, so I got a baby. I take the baby and I feed her the bottle every day for 11 years. And then one day I take the bottle away. Baby going to get cranky. That's what's happening right now. It's like the bond market was the stock market's baby bottle. And they just kept feeding it. The baby was happy. And the booming bull market in the stocks, right? Well, take the bottle out of his mouth, he's going to start getting cranky, I promise you. And that's what we're seeing here. But it is a price adjustment. How do I know? I told you this was coming before it started, right? So if I had that mapped out, maybe I'm right about what's coming. So more downside. Not every day will be down, but I think we have to continue to price adjust for the bond market, which is finally topped out and is heading lower and raising interest rates, and of course that makes our market come down. So you did see me explain all of this. In fact, I did it in a video. Then the next night I re-explained it and showed you the same clip because it was such a good explanation. Go watch it from a few days ago if you want to see it again. So that's bonds, and of course you take the bottle away, baby's going to cry. And then OmniCamp, we've already got one seat, one OmniCamper, congratulations. I've got many applications, but I've only hand-chosen one of you so far. Keep sending those applications. OmniCamp is coming soon, Feb 24th through 28th. So that, we're knocking on the door now, kids. So make sure that you call me, 702-629-4755. Go to livewithoscar.com, fill out your OmniCamp applications there. Go to Omni BOOTCAMP, fill one out there. Just make sure you fill them out because I need to qualify you before we reach this date on the 24th through 28th. All right, so in the last video, I promised if you were nice to me and you wrote nice comments, I would give you a free look at the Omni trading recommendations. And I will, and you'll get them, and I've been doing great with them. Last year, 70,000 made on one-lot trades. The year before, 124,000 made on one-lot trades. One lot only. I trade more than one lot. I bet you guys do as well. This was only calculating one-lot trades, 124 and 70,000 or 69. This year we expect to have a strong year, and I want to give you a free look at those recommendations for 2 weeks. So what I will tell you is below this video, there will be an email address. I want you to write to that email address and just say something like, yes, I would like to receive the free trading signals, or sign me up, Oscar, for your free promotion, and here's what you will get. When I'm going to trade, you're going to get a signal. It's going to pop up on your computer, and at the same time, you are going to get a Discord. Well, I have a Discord channel. It goes out through Discord. I send a telegram, a text goes out, an email flies. I mention it in the trading room, and a pop flash up window shows up on your screen, and it rings, ding, 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 to tell you what to do. When I'm going to trade, you know, if you miss all of this, I promise you, you've had your head in the sand, and you went like this and didn't listen to the signal. So, would you like free recommendations from the Omni? Sign up right now, right below the video. Email me. I promise you, Dan Tipton will contact you and get you set up with your 2-week free trial. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, OMNI S&P, long support line. Used to be green, but I've turned it red. Why? Well, it used to hold. Even when you got close, it used to hold. Well, it doesn't seem to hold anymore. So the circle is now red, and we are through that major support. And I think we have more downside coming. If you look at NASDAQ, you've got the same look happening right now. You can see that you have come down dramatically through that support line, which used to work really well. And the street is not blind. They see this as well. And we've got rate hikes, which means the market has to price adjust. So down we should go. Even if you get some rally days, you sell into those rallies, and in the end, I think you'll be on the right side of the market. And then, wow, crude oil, huh? Look at crude. This is a weekly bar of crude oil. This used to be the all-time high on a weekly. Each one of these bars is a whole week's worth of trading. And then it tried to get back up there again one day, right? Didn't get there. Gets above, creates volatility, and now, wha-bam, it's above everything. So that is starting to go. And again, the street isn't blind. They've got crude on the run, and crude looks like it's probably, even if you got to buy dips on decent-sized pullbacks, you probably have even more upside there. And I think here is your reason for everything that we're seeing now, the whole flip-flop in the markets and the way commodities are starting to run higher. Your bond market, when it capitulated or topped out a few months back, it absolutely did top out. And proof now is that you are starting to build formations below the 200 bar moving average. This is topped. That means rates go up. When bonds go down, rates go up. When interest rates go up, the stock market has to adjust for that movement. Then there is this. I didn't mention it, but I have a couple of targets. If the Russell 2000 continues to drop, I've got targets, I believe, I think that this is right verbatim, but I believe I'm looking at 1930 and then 1840. Looking at these two numbers, if the Russell continues to crack, those would be the first projection and then the second projection on the downside. So keep those in mind. Traders, remember, always do this. Keep your emotions out of trading. Do not make trading decisions unless it's based upon a chart. And then remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, make sure you sign up for those recommendations. They're free to you. I will see you at livewithoscar.com.